Our today's class is different. We are going to talk about CloudFront geo restrictions, but no theory. I want you to understand directly from live action. So let's start. Hi, I'm Bhavesh Atara from CloudFolks HUB. You are learning AWS from our channel. As you know that we are making things simple for you. Right now you are learning CloudFront, but in upcoming days we are going to discuss about some advanced services as well, like Elastic Container Service and Elastic Kubernetes Service. If you want to understand these services, you must have knowledge of Docker. Docker is most advanced technology and it is used to host microservices. If I am talking about microservices, it is really popular architecture for the application. Companies like Amazon, companies like Netflix, they have their application based on microservices architecture. And that's why they are using Docker. We also developed one full-fledged advanced course of Docker. We call it Advanced Docker Administration. We just recently launched this course. You guys can also learn this and take advantage of this. The price of this course is 3,999 Indian rupees. But as you guys are aware about it, that tomorrow we have Independence Day of India. We want to celebrate this Independence Day with you guys, so we are giving you 50% discount and the offer price of this course is only 1,999. Even if you don't have a plan to learn this right now, you can register this course because you are going to get lifetime access of this course, and after completing this AWS series, you can start learning. Course description, course link, everything you have in the description of this video. I hope you will get advantage of advanced learning by enrolling this course. Now you can continue your CloudFront journey. Here we are going to set up CloudFront distribution first. But we are always using S3 as an origin. I don't want to repeat this. I want you to understand how we can set up EC2 as an origin. We are going step by step. So first of all, I am going to create EC2 instance and I am going to configure it as a S3 as a CloudFront origin. So let's start. Here I am inside my AWS console, going to the EC2 dashboard and going to create one EC2 instance. Launch instance. Here giving name web server. Going to create Amazon Linux. You can also create Ubuntu if you want to. Amazon Linux 2023 T2 Micro. Here I am going to select key. Now here we are actually setting up a web server. So I am going to allow port number 80 HTTP because if I'm not going to allow this, we are not able to open the website from EC2 instance. So that's all. I'm not going to touch any other options. Let's click on launch instance. Now I have to access this instance from the command prompt as well. So let me open command prompt. Let's go to the EC2 instance. Here we will get IP address. It is not coming right now, no problem. Let's go to the downloads folder. I have my key here, ssh-i new 2024-key, EC2-user because I have Amazon Linux, so they have EC2-user is a password as a username. This is a web server. I'm going to copy this IP and here I'm going to access this instance. Now I want to configure this instance as a web server, so going to log in as a root, sudo-i, and going to install httpd service, yum install httpd. Yes. Now with the httpd, the default web page we have is always in cd/where www html. So here I have to add index.html. I have index.html ready, so I'm going to create this from here using vi editor. It is vi index.html. Now here I have this content. I will provide you same content so you can get it from the description. and here I'm going to paste it. WQ. I got my index.html page. Now I have to start HTTPD service. So systemctl start HTTPD. Now if I will shut down this computer and when I will start it again, it will not start this service. So I'm going to use systemctl enable HTTPD. So now I don't need to worry about it. When I will restart the system, it will start HTTPD service automatically. So everything is good. Now we are going to use this IP and we are going to open this website. Now we are able to open this website, but we want to use this as our CloudFront distribution. So let's go to the CloudFront. From here, we are going to create new distribution. I have one existing one. So let's delete this if I can. Yes, I'm going to create new one. So all clear into the CloudFront. Let's create a new one. So let's click on create distribution. Now here, the most interesting part that you need to understand. See, when you are going to the CloudFront distribution, you will get all the origins. For example, if you have API gateway, you will get it over here. You are going to get your S3 static website as well. If you have load balancer, it will be listed over here as well. But if you want to use EC2 instance as an origin, you will not get it in the list. Look at this. I am not getting my EC2 instance. How I can add this? So you have to go to your EC2 dashboard. Okay, this is our web server. Now you have to copy public IPv4 DNS. Okay. Copy public IPv4 DNS. Don't copy private IP DNS. Okay. So I'm going to copy this and then in the origin domain add here. Now it will detect this automatically. Our origin is HTTP. So I'm going to select this HTTP here. I'm not going to touch anything. Okay. I'm going with the default option. So yeah, let's click on Web Application Firewall. Do not enable this. This is like a mandatory option. So I'm going to select no, I don't want Web Application Firewall. And let's click on Create Distribution. As you know that when we are creating distribution, it will take some time. And here we are getting this deploying status. Once I'm able to open the website, I will come back. Okay, I'm able to open website right now. So now I'm going to explain you how we can use geographic restrictions. You know, we already discussed about all the options which we are getting while we are creating distribution. Now we are going to discuss about all the options which we are getting after creating distribution. We already discussed about all of this. We are aware about HTTP1, HTTP2 and all this. So the first setting we have is inside security. Now when you will go to the security, here you have option to enable web application firewall. Definitely we will discuss about it in upcoming days. But here we have CloudFront geographic restrictions. By default it is none, means I can able to open website from any part of the world. Let's test it out. How I can test it out? See here I have one website which is known as GeoPicker. What you have to do here, you have to go to the CloudFront URL and you have to enter this URL over here. Now when you will click go over here, it will open website from all over the world. Look at this. From this screen, I can able to find out that how my website will looks like from Ireland, Australia, Singapore, Brazil. So it is actually opening my website from any part of the world. If you are getting this render unavailable, no need to worry. We are using free edition, so sometime we are getting this. But right now I can test this, that my website is actually visible from the Singapore, Brazil, Ireland and Australia. So everything is good here. Now I want that this website must be restricted from India and Brazil. Why I am choosing this? Because I can test this because I am from India. So I can test this. Yeah, it is not allowing me to open the file and which type of message that we are getting. Okay, so I can give you demo about it. So here we have to go to the, sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.